fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming for someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away above it all? In the silence is conceded, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise.
Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair. This is going to be a glueless installation. I haven't glued this down. I got this beautiful hair sent to me by Yolova hair, and before we get into the video I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about the hair, and then you can go ahead and watch the video. So this hair is the straight blonde wig. It's a hand-tied laced wig. This isn't human hair. It's not 100% human hair for sure. This hair is 22 inches. It's quite long. That is the length. The density of this hair is 150. I'm going to put down a link for this hair in the description down below, and also there's going to be a special code I'm going to put on the screen so you guys can use that and get some percentage off. And also make sure to visit Yolova hair website. I'm going to link it in the description box, and also check out their Instagram page. And yeah, let's get into this video and I'm going to show you guys how I installed this hair. Okay guys, so before we get into the video, I just want to show you guys a little bit of unboxing. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a really nice box, and it's so bougie because inside the box it's also in another bag. Look at how amazing the packaging is. And inside there's the hair. Comes with a wig cap, some lashes and some tweezers. And this is what the hair looks like out of the box. There's the lace, and then it comes with lots of combs. There's about 4. There's 2 on each side, and then 1 next to the lace and 1 at the back. This hair is actually how the hair looks after I washed it. I just washed it with some conditioner, and I'm just using my straightening brush to try and straighten the hair, because it got quite frizzy because it was washed. So I'm just using my hair straightening brush to try and get it to be straight again. Excuse my little hair straightener, but I don't actually have a hair straightener because I don't usually straighten my hair, so that's all I have. So I was just trying to get the front to be flat and laid. After doing that, you're just gonna get your brush and brush it out. So here I am now trying to create my part. It's the middle part. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is get my MAC powder and just put it on the wig cap, because this wig cap was so pale. This isn't my skin color. I usually use the brown one, but this is what was in the box. So I decided to just use powder because there's really no point of putting foundation, because I don't think it's even that visible. I just put the wig cap just to help lay down my hair so that it's flat. So now you're just going to grab your hair and put it on to your head. After putting on the hair, I realized I didn't adjust the straps, and I have a really small head. I put it to the very end and it was not even that tight, because as you can see my head is quite small, but it still fits. I don't wanna
waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something.
Now that you have the wig on, you're just gonna adjust it and make sure it fits right. And then after that, brush it out some more.
Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment.
After brushing it out, you're just gonna grab your hair clips and just clip the hair out of the way so that you can get ready and cut off the lace. And now I'm just gonna cut off my lace. I'm just using, the scissors were so big, it was a little bit hard to cut the lace off because I couldn't find my hair scissors. So yeah.
Never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time.
After that, you're gonna get your foundation. This is going to be for the part because I just want to define the part a little bit. But before that, I grabbed my tiny hair straightener again and just straightened the front a little bit more because it was not looking flat enough and I wanted to be more straight. So I just kept going in with that and just try my best to straighten it.
Don't tell me it's time to
Okay, so now the flyaways, you can't see it on camera, but it had so much flyaways that I had to use my mousse. So I'm just gonna go in with my mousse and try and flatten them out and get them to be nice and smooth and slick down because I don't want no flyaways. Don't mind what I was using to apply the foundation. There was no brush near me and I couldn't bother to go and get a brush, so I just used what I was using to create my part to apply the foundation onto my part. I don't know if it made much of a difference, but it's always, you know, better to just have it on so that it matches your skin color. After that, there was still some really annoying flyaways and they were just standing up those little short hairs that wouldn't slick down. So I decided to just get my scissors and just kind of cut them off because they were annoying me. I wanted the hair to be flat and sleek. So now we're just brushing out some more and we are basically done.
If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There wasn't really much to do with this hair. It's just the prepping it. I had to wash it yesterday. I actually washed it yesterday because it had a bit of a smell that I didn't like, so I decided to wash it before styling it. And yeah, so there's not much of the styling. I tried to straighten it because it was washed, so I just gave it a little bit of a brushing and I just had to cut off my lace. I was expecting a little bit more lace with this hair, but it doesn't really have that much lace space. So this is gonna be like, I'm gonna be wearing it glueless because there's not enough space for you to actually pluck it, so you don't even need to glue it down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to check out Yolova hair. All the details is going to be in the description box and all the details to this hair is going to be in the link in the description box. And I'm also going to put my code in the description box too, and I'm going to put it here on the screen. So make sure to use that code and get some percentage off of this hair or any other hair that you decide to go and buy from them. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye, see you next time.